Talofa lava, kia ora, good morning everybody. It is a great privilege and a tremendous honour to be with you all here today. Can I say to you, Mr Prime Minister, thank you to you and to all of your government and to all of the people of Samoa for the very warm welcome that you have extended to me and my delegation. Can I say to the great people of Apia Village, thank you for this great honour. We are now connected forever. And I just want to say the honour itself represents... I think the honour itself represents the very special bond between our two great countries of Samoa and New Zealand. As has been alluded to in the speeches today, it is not just a relationship, we are family. And we are very, very proud of this relationship and this family. Can I tell you, we are also incredibly proud of our Samoan Kiwis who have come to New Zealand, have worked incredibly hard, achieved and contributed so much to our great country, and have enriched it and made it much, much better. And I know for all of us and for the Prime Minister and myself and our governments, we are determined to continue to build on the great relationship we have today, to make it even better, to take it to even greater heights. So again, can I say thank you very much for this great honour. It's a tremendous privilege and I very much appreciate it. Manuia.